Welcome students. So today in the moral science we are going to start the chapter accepting to change. In this particular chapter we are going to see what are the different changes which we are accepting in our life and how the changes can be accepted. So let's start this particular chapter. So here in this particular chapter, let's start, and here is a parable here. A certain kingdom was ruled by a king who was strong and clever. The people feared him because he was strong. They loved him because he was clever. Okay, so in a particular kingdom was there where a king ruler was there. Okay, who was very strong and very clever, and the peoples were who were his kingdom persons, the livelihood were the peoples were loving the king because he was clever. Okay, because he was clever they were loving him, but they were fearing him because he was strong. Okay, they were fearing him because he was strong. Okay, so in the middle of the town, one day what happened, in the middle of the town there was a well. Okay, there was a well in the middle of the town. The kingdom was including a well which was present at the middle of the town there. It was clear and cool. The well was clear. The water of the well was very clear and cool water was there. Everyone drink the water from that well and lived a healthy and happy life. Okay, everyone who was present in this particular town, they used that well for water for their drinking purpose and for other purpose, and they were living very healthy and happy life using that well there. Okay, so after this what happened, then one night an enemy came and put a kind of magical powder. Okay, and put a kind of magical powder in that particular well. Everyone except the king and his minister drank of the water. Okay, except the king and the minister, all the persons which are living in that particular kingdom, they have drank that water, and all of them lost their senses. And what happened, due to that particular water they have lost their senses. They have become mad. Okay, so what after this particular incident, they gathered in the street and discussed among themselves that their king and his ministers has gone mad, and they laughed and made fun of the king and their ministers. Okay, so here after drinking the water, the persons, the livelihood of the kingdom has become mad, and they have gathered on the street and they were talking nonsense that the king has become mad, and their ministers has become mad, and they are doing wrong. Okay, they are doing wrong, and using this particular discussion they were laughing on their kings and their ministers. The king heard what has happened, and being a clever person, he ordered a pot of water from the well to be drawn out. The king and the ministers drank of it too. Okay, as we have discussed before also, that the king was very clever. Okay, so he has ordered a pot of water from the particular well, and he has asked, he himself and the ministers of that king has drank that water. What happens after that? The people now said, the king and his minister have regained their senses, and they danced with joy. After this particular incident, now the livelihood of the particular town and the particular kingdom, now they were saying that now the king and their ministers have regained their senses, and now they are very clever. Okay, so here here when times and people changes, we must change too. Okay, what is the what is the gist of the story which we have studied here? The gist of the story is that according to the time we have to change our behavior, we have to change our nature, we have to change our sense. Okay, so when the time changes, the people must change out there, and according to the people, according to the time, we must also change there. Okay, we must also change there. Everything in nature responds out here. So according to this only we have also to be respond according to the nature here. Two times to change. Okay, in spring trees and plants bear flowers and fruits. Okay, in autumn they shed their leaves in preparation for the winter. Okay, in the spring we will see that the plants are bearing flowers, fruits. Okay, they are fully loaded with fruits, they are fully loaded with flowers, they are having very green leaves there. But in autumn season what we will see that they have shedded out their leaves and they are preparing for the winter season there. Okay, while the change of season, birds also starts to migrate. The birds which are living in the very colder regions during winter season, what they do, they migrates there. Okay, they change their position, they change their places from the colder region to the hotter regions, towards the regions where the winter season is also hot. They start to migrate there. Okay, and for this they sometimes travels thousands and very long thousands and thousands of kilometers there. Okay, so here this kind of behavior shows the change. Nothing in nature remains same all the time. The change is a very natural phenomena. It is a very true natural phenomena that is very essential for the growth and progress. Okay, so hence we must never ever avoid the changes. Okay, we must change as according to the nature. We must never ever avoid, or we must never ever prevent the changes which has been happening in our life. This is the truth, this is the natural phenomena, and the change helps in the growth and progress only. It does not hamper us. Okay, it does not hamper us. Human beings are no exception to the law of changes. By changing ourselves, we are able to adapt ourselves to new situations and peoples. We need to change our attitudes, values and behavior patterns in order to fit ourselves into our given places in society. It is very necessary for us to change our behavior, to change our attitude, to change our values. Sometimes we have to change our nature also there. Okay, nature means we have to change the type of behavior which we are doing with our family members or that, but according to the society we have to change that particular things also. In the family we have to be like different kinds, and in the society when we are being social with the different person, we have to be different out there. Okay, only those who use their prudence and wisdom suitably will be able to survive and be happy. Okay, only those who use their prudence and wisdom suitably will be able to survive and will be able to be happy there. Okay, all who refuses to change for the better will left behind. Okay, the persons who are not changing, okay, the persons who are not changing and preventing the changes will be left behind. They will not be growing. Okay, they will not be growing, and they will brood over their own backwardness. Okay, they will be brooding over their own backwardness. They will ever be a unhappy lot. Okay, they will ever and ever be unhappy there. People who refuses to change themselves are not able to relate with people who go ahead in their life, and such peoples are normally avoided by others. This growth will be stunted. Okay, this growth will be stunted. They will remain introvert and finally end up as anxious and depressed person. Okay, the persons who prevent changes, who avoid changes, they will be rejected by the society. They will be rejected by the society, and they will never be entertained by the society there. Okay, and what will happen due to this reason? They will become depressed and they will become anxious, and their behavior will be becoming more introverted there. Okay, so change is must. Change is must. We must not prevent change here. Why do people find it hard to change themselves? What is the reason? Why the people find it hard to change themselves? What really changes people? Can I be me even after adapting to changes? And I afraid to make changes in life? So all these questions are coming into the every human's life. Okay, these particular questions are being asked by every human in the life. Let's talk about a person whose name is Shalini. Okay, so Shalini was a timid kind of person. It means that she was very shy. She hesitated to talk to others. She hesitated to express herself to others. Okay, so this was the nature which was expressed by Shalini there. In class 9th, her timidity increased. She avoided people. Okay, she wouldn't participate in any of the school activities. She had no friends. She was always in a depressed mood there. Okay, you will see that due to the behavior of Shalini here, she has started avoiding people's, and due to this reason what happened, due to this reason she has become alone there. Okay, she has become alone there, and she has lacked friends there. There was no friends with Shalini there, and she has become depressed over there. The mood of the Shalini has become depressed out there. Okay, so some people has made opinion that she was shy. Some other will said that she has been stubborn, she has become stubborn. Okay, so it means that some due to her introvertness, due to her unexpression to due to her prevention from the society, what has happened out there, the peoples were making different kinds of opinion by themselves. As she was not like this, but the peoples were making the opinions that she was shy. Okay, she was shy, and she has become stubborn, still still other still others thought she was proud. Okay, some has made an opinion that she is a very proudy girl. Okay, she prouds on very on herself. Shalini knew that she was being timid, but Shalini was knowing that she has become timid, she was timid, and she was scaring to mingle with others. She was scaring to talk with others. Okay, everyone kept telling her that she must have to change, there. Secretly she also wished to change, but she could not bring herself to change. Okay, secretly she was also wishing to change, but due to some reasons, due to her timidness, due to her introvertness there, okay, due to her unconsciousness there, what was happening there, she was unable to change herself, as she was not getting any proper guidance related to this particular topic there. Okay, so she was unable to change herself. She was not getting an idea that how to change herself, what must be the things which has to be changed in herself. Okay, and due to this reason, what was going on in her mind, that she was becoming more anxious, she was becoming more depressed out there. Okay, then one day her father was talking to her. So her father told her, Shalini dear, you resent to change, you don't have to change them. Just relax and be yourself. You are my daughter, and I love you as you are. Okay, so his father has consolidated her, and he has resented her, and he has told her that if you don't want to change, then don't change, and don't get anxious or depressed due to this particular thing, that you are not able to change, or you are not able to mingle with others. Due to this reason, what others are thinking, what others are saying, don't bother about that. You don't want to change, you don't change there, and be yourself there. We will not lose any love towards you, we will accept you as you are there. Okay, so those were the magical words which has strong happiness filled her being. Okay, after hearing this particular things, what has happened, fulfillment of happiness has been filled out there, and she has now become relaxed after hearing this. She has become relaxed, and her timidity has started to go on. She hugged and kissed her father. She was a changed person now. Now, what helped Shalini change here? Okay, what is the question arises here? What has helped her to change here? Without any particular effort or without any particular thing, she has started to change. Her timidness has gone out. Her stubbornness has been gone out. Her shyness has been gone out here. Her introvertness has been depressed out here. Okay, so what was the reason? How this particular thing has been happened? This thing has been happened by the consolidation which has been provided to her by her father. So this particular consolidation is very important in the life of a teenage person, or a person who is growing, whose mind is growing. Okay, so try to find this particular effort in yourself also. Okay, if you are finding that you are becoming timid, you are becoming more problematic there. Okay, so try to find out this thing here.